Leto je naokrog in ponovno vajin šov v Mondu, s tem, da letos na odru 4 pari. Koga sta izbrala, da sodeluje letos z vama?
Torej, letos smo 4 pari na odru. Pridružila sta se nama Daniela Pekić in Jernej Brenholz, že kot lani, Aljaž Korjanec in Nina Gerič. Nina Gerič je tudi lani plesala, Aljaž je že plesal pred 2 letoma in Hojka Ana Šober in Alen Pavlec, torej in mi dva.
Kaj vse sta počela v tem letu dni, ko sta bolj kot ne potovala, ko vaju ni bilo v Sloveniji?
To leto sva začela od januarja do aprila na Floridi, kjer sva bila menedžerja manjše skupine Burn the Floria, ki sva tudi plesala. V Angliji sva bila, na Nizozemskem na turneji, septembra sva delala koreografijo na BBC-ju za plesni šov Strictly Come Dancing, ki je podoben Zvezde plešejo pri nas, ampak malo večji. Potem sva bila spet na Nizozemskem na turneji, pa spet po Angliji. Zdaj zmes, ko sva pa bila doma v začetku decembra, pa sva spet šla na BBC delati koreografijo. Sedaj sva doma, v ponedeljek greva v Avstralijo njegove obiskat, družino. Potem od januarja pa do aprila greva spet na Florido. Burn Floria.
If you should judge these couples who were performing with you today, are they also world class?
The couples that we have here are definitely very good. I think some of them might not have the same experience that, say, ourselves have, which makes a big difference when you've been performing around the world, you know, how to perform to an audience and how to work the crowd, so to speak. But they definitely have a lot of talent, a lot of potential, and they like to work hard. And they do a great job when we're out on the stage. They do a great job.
How long did you practice with them to perform this show?
For this show we prepared for about 3 to 4 weeks. It was sort of difficult because we couldn't get all the couples together at exactly the same time all the time, so we had to work afternoons, mornings with different couples, and then we get together, say, on the weekends and have group rehearsals then. Yeah. Compared to the shows that I've seen here in Mond, our show maybe has a very special energy and a good connection with the audience, that people feel the passion and the excitement that we have between ourselves and the group all together. So I think this is the special thing.
Ob vseh teh potovanjih, kje bi dejala, da imata sedaj tisti primarni sedež, kje živita?
Where do we live? In Slovenia, in Maribor.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Maribor is home for now. Yeah, this is where we call home.
How are you used to these temperatures which we have now? It's not that cold.
No, now it's pretty comfortable. I don't mind it cold. I would like to see some snow, hopefully before the end of the year, because it's always nice to get a bit of snow. Yeah. I've skied once, the first time that I arrived in Maribor. The first winter I went skiing once, but that's been the only time. Normally we're either working or we're about to go away for work, so I really don't want to risk, you know, breaking a leg or something.
Za naprej, kaj vaju čaka, česa se še nameravate lotiti?
Tako kot sem že povedala prej, greva zdaj na Florido od januarja do aprila. Potem bomo pa videli, kaj bo. Imela sva intervjuje z tujimi televizijskimi postajami in mogoče bo se kaj tam realiziralo. Če ne, pa bova poskusila v naših teatrih napredovati z najnim šovom, narediti kakšno zgodbo ali kaj takšnega. Kasneje pa potem verjetno plesna šola ali pa, ko bomo že malo starejši.